It's my size.
It's your size? Excellent.
Girl dresses. I'm gonna put it back on the hanger.
On the rack?
Yeah.
Okay.
This like there, this like for a skirt. I'm going to put these back. I thought they were a skirt. Girl. Instead of short. Dad. First, this one I'm gonna try on. This one, you would take a picture. This one, beautiful.
Beautiful, huh?
Yep. Try it on. I'm gonna look in the mirror.
Very pretty. I like it.
I'm gonna put it back on the hanger.
Okay.
Now we're gonna have this one. Dad, can you find one that's my size? Here's my size.
There's your size.
No, it's Mommy's dresses. Here's my size.
Oh, wait. Which one? This one?
Yeah. I'll go look in the mirror.
Okay. Very pretty. So pretty.